Hey there, experiencing the Sony TV red light blinking issue and frustrated by a flickering standby light on your beloved Sony TV? You're not alone. This common problem can feel daunting, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical solutions to fix your Sony TV when it's showing a blinking red light. With these steps, you'll soon say goodbye to that annoying red flash and hello to comfortable viewing once again. Step 1. Identify the blink pattern. First things first, pay attention to the blink pattern. Sony TVs are designed to communicate diagnostic information through the number of times the red light blinks in sequence. Note the count and pattern of the blinks, as this will help determine the specific issue. For example, 2 blinks usually indicate a power board issue, while 6 to 8 can relate to a tuner or internal component failure. Once you have this data, consult your TV's manual or the Sony website to find the corresponding error. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. Sometimes all it takes to resolve minor software or connectivity glitches is a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, unplug your TV from the power outlet. Keep it unplugged for about 60 seconds to ensure that all residual power is discharged. After waiting, plug the TV back in and power it on. This simple step can resolve minor issues causing the blinking light, restoring your TV to normal. Step 3. Verify cable connections. Next up, make sure all your cable connections are secure. A loose or faulty HDMI or power cable might be the culprit causing signal disruption. Check the cables connected to your TV one by one, ensuring each is properly seated in its respective port. Also, inspect for any signs of wear or damage to the cables themselves. If necessary, try using different cables or ports to see if the problem resolves. Step 4. Update the TV firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to unexpected behaviors, such as the dreaded red blinking light. To tackle this, you'll need to ensure your TV is running the latest software version provided by Sony. If your TV menu is accessible despite the red light issue, navigate to the Settings menu, select Support, and then choose Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the previous methods solve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Note that this will revert all settings to their default configurations, so you'll need to set up your TV again from scratch. To proceed, navigate to Settings, select Device Preferences, and choose Reset. Confirm the action and patiently wait for the TV to restart. There you have it. Several tried and tested steps on how to fix Sony TV red light blinking. By identifying the blink pattern, performing a soft reset, checking cable connections, updating the firmware, and considering a factory reset, you're well equipped to tackle this common annoyance. Should the issue persist after trying these methods, it might be time to contact Sony customer support or a professional technician for further assistance. Until then, best of luck, and may your TV viewing experience be red light free and enjoyable once more.